Hello Tabbers, my name is Mark. This is part 3 of our back overhead cabinet lighting upgrade. If you haven't seen the other 2 videos, go back and watch those. This is the finale of it, because today in the mail my push button plunger switches showed up. Really nice pieces. Basically, you put one wire in there and tighten that screw down on it. Put the other wire in there and tighten that screw down on it. Comes with all the screws you need, and these little white plugs, once you tighten that screw down on them, you put the plug in there so that if you were running this off high voltage, you wouldn't get shocked by touching those sides. But that's how that's going to work. I'm going to just mount those in there, and I'll daisy chain them one to the other. Also today in the mail came a bunch of these. Let me see, just some contrast to those. You know, these guys, little nylon wire ties. I'm going to use those to hold the wire along the top of the cabinets out of the way, the wire that leads to these switches. So let's gather our stuff up, put our coats on, go out to the tab, fire up the Aldi, warm up a little bit in there, and finish this project. Yay! Okay, Tabbers, here we are inside where we left off last time. I have all the electronics mounted in the back, and we have just the bare cable, and it turns on the lights. So I'm going to mount, first thing I'm going to do, pull out one of these switches. I'm going to mount the first of my switches right there, and you can see how that'll be back out of the way. It won't block anything, and when the door closes, that'll push in. So that's what we're going to do. Decided to change direction a little bit here. Instead of mounting that switch first, since I'm going to daisy chain these switches together, I'm going to take a length of this cable and I'm going to connect these two together before I put them into the back of that switch. That way it'll just be easier for me. So we'll twist those together and solder them, and then we'll mount it. We'll just keep going as we go. Okay, I have the 2 wires twisted and soldered together. We're going to insert them into the back of the plug and screw them down. Okay, so you just insert it and tighten that screw down. So now I'm going to go ahead and mount it up where it belongs. So here's the test. Off, on, off. Okay, I have the first switch mounted. Look at that. Right there. So if you can see that, just screws right into the wood. Just the front needs to be flush. Put it flush that direction, and there. Sweet. So I'll go ahead and finish the other two. That should make it obvious what I mean by daisy chaining. The wire comes down, red to red, black to black, and it plugs into the back of the switch like that, and we mount it. We just keep hopping. Well, there you have it. We are officially done. Check this out. Hey! Lights on just like your refrigerator. Sweet. Anyway, thanks for following along. Hope this gives you some inspiration if your eyes are getting old too and you can't see in your cabinets. That turned out great. Can't see any wires. The little switch there is pretty unobtrusive and works just fine. Nice. See you later. Take care. See you on the road and drive safe.